So the plan for today is Jimmy. We finna go buy a front rim because I'm about to change my fork. So let's get to it.
I got all eyes on me. It's easy to see. People of the drip.
Brand new drip, no Louis Vuitton. They see me flexing, they know what I'm on. I am a king to this.
It's cold out. You might wanna bundle up under your sheets. I heard it's snow out. You might wanna stay away from the streets. All of the money, the power, the fame. I used to want it all. Nowadays I just be down for my call. Ain't nothing better than kicking it back with my G's. Ain't nobody around here got beef. This shit is amazing. I even show love when they hating. I've heard that your friends can turn to your enemies. What is the benefit? I guess it's meant to be. So the blood in my veins run cold. Eyes free. I'm making my story be told. I'm making my visions unfold. Connect me direct to the ether. I ain't worried about you neither. I ain't pressed with no feature. I don't need you.
Yeah, I need to change the bearings inside this, or
no? These actually pop off.
Oh,
so the bearings
okay.
are in there. This is just lubed O-ring here,
Oh,
so
okay.
that just sits in there.
Yeah.
So that's the same on both sides.
So what happened is, because of the tires I'm trying to run, I think I might have to swap the hub and put the hub on that rim. So I'm holding the front brakes and this is just not stable. Like if I hit a bump or something, like it goes all the way down and it keeps hitting this. I had the fender here, but I took the fender out because this is hitting the fender.
Ooh, Master
Yeah, I heard it's cold out. You might wanna bundle up under your sheets. I heard it's snow out. You might wanna stay away from the streets. All of the money, the power, the fame. I used to want it all. Nowadays I just be down for my call. Ain't nothing better than kicking it back with my G's. Ain't nobody around here got beef. This shit is amazing. I even show love when they hating. I've heard that your friends can turn to your enemies. What is the benefit? I guess it's meant to be. So the blood in my veins run cold. Eyes free. I'm making my story be told. I'm making my visions unfold. Connect me direct to the ether. I ain't worried about you neither. I ain't pressed with no feature. I don't need you.
That foggy place to just be like straight up. Like, bro, it's just for a time. It's always just for a time.
It's a cold world, so you better keep your heart on guard. Locked down hard. I've been searching for sunny days. I've been battered by rainy days. Who thought it'd be so cold outside? Therefore you can't be naked.
Usually there'd be like something happen,
Yeah, man.
and it make you take a chalk, and it's just to catch back the self.
True.
And make sure you resting, bro. Like resting, eating right.
Yeah,
Just feed yourself properly, my bro.
for sure.
The company you keep, the energy of the folks you involve in, the content that you consuming online,
Fox.
the media you consuming, just keep it on a certain level. Like what you feed yourself is what you are. So just that is the bottom line.
It's a cold world, so you better keep your heart on guard. Locked down hard. I've been searching for sunny days. I've been battered by rainy days. Who thought it'd be so cold outside? Therefore you can't be naked. You know, I just feel like the older I get, the more thoughts keep getting connected, and the rabbit hole keeps on getting deeper and deeper. experience brought me to a realization that everybody truly going through their own shit in their own world. Like most folks be going through their shit in silence, you know? Kinda like myself in a sense. And it really be difficult to get any guidance or level of support. It's a cold world out.